Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Punch's infotainment supports Android Auto and that your phone runs a compatible Android build. Plug a good USB cable into the car's USB port and attach your phone. Once connected, make sure Android Auto is selected on screen. On your phone, grant location, phone, and media permissions. These allow contacts and navigation to appear. If prompted, choose Android Auto as default for USB connections. This gets the connection handshake moving and avoids wasted retries. Once done with the initial handshake, select Android Auto on the Punch's display and accept any prompts shown by the infotainment. You should allow the phone to route audio to the car so navigation, voice, and media play through speakers. Make sure notification access is enabled so messages show safely. In the Android Auto app, adjust display theme and navigation defaults so maps and apps open as you expect. Doing this avoids fumbling while driving and keeps your setup consistent. To finish, test that steering wheel controls and the built-in mic control media and calls. That confirms a full integration. If it does not connect, reboot both the Punch unit and your phone, then retry with a known good cable. Many issues are cable-related. If problems persist, make sure both the car firmware and your phone OS are updated, because mismatched versions often block Android Auto. One troubleshooting tip: swap USB ports or try a different cable first. This solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.